Welcome to our BART training series. Today we're going to get you started with the BART Team app. It's available for Android, Apple and Windows devices. Before you can log into the app, you'll need to make sure you're a registered BART member. You download the BART Team app in the same way that you would for any other app. We're using an Apple iPhone, so you can see us opening up the App Store. Enter BART into the search box provided. Once downloaded, tap on the BART app launch icon. You will be taken to the login screen where you will need to enter in your membership credentials. Thanks for watching. For more information on getting the most out of BART, check out our other training videos.